I'm so flippin' hot. Let's go to the mall, girls!
Okay.
Oh, hold on, girls. I forgot my purse. Ow, that hurt. Oh, I'm gonna get my purse. Oh, I forgot my purse. Wow, that's an interesting fall. Well, bye guys. Let's go to a pet store. Oh, look, a puppy. Oh, you're such a cutie. Oh, ow, she bit me. What? Ah, she bit